So I thought we'd go over kind of colors and patterns and stuff first. I just grabbed some random ribbons here. All right. I can kind of move that out of the way. All right. So I pulled out a bunch of green ones.
Oh, I need one for my cousin.
Oh, okay. This has the dashes on it, and it has a scalloped edge. This is just a solid with a scalloped edge. This is a dash, kind of like check. Okay, this is a gingham or a green and white check. Okay, this is green and white polka dots. So when you're mixing patterns, right? Oh, this one is the Grinch, but he has black and white stripes. He has red, he has green. So you can actually put all of these ribbons together, even though they are all different patterns. So when you're working with ribbon, you wouldn't want like two plaids right next to each other, but you can have them kind of separated. Basically with patterns, it's totally okay to mix patterns, especially when you are working with bows. So you don't really have the same rules with bows like you do with clothing, right? So you wouldn't want to wear all this clothing together, but for a bow, it's totally fine. So even now, I don't know where my green one is, but we're going to pretend like this is either red and white striped or green and white striped. Even that is going to work fine. So these different patterns work fine. These different shades work fine together, especially when you're pairing with this. So you see how this has like this kind of brighter green and then this darker green, but you can see it works with all of these shades of green. Like this, okay, see this. All right, so you can actually use every single one of these in the same bow. All right, what I wouldn't do is I probably wouldn't put this one right next to this one. I would probably split this up just a tiny bit. But, you know, even if you put this stripe next to this stripe, even though one's horizontal, one's vertical, it's still going to work fine. So don't limit yourself in thinking that you cannot work with different types of shades of a color or different types of patterns in your ribbon. So when I'm so if I just put all of these ribbons together, it would look a little bit odd. But if I put this in, this would be my focal ribbon, so that's what I call it, focal ribbon. And this ties all of these in together. Reason being is all of those shades are in this one ribbon. So with all of those shades being in this one ribbon, it makes all of these ribbons work together.